This will be a video chart on ticker symbol MJNA. We will take a look at the daily time frame. This one we've covered many times. Can't remember the last time I've done a video on it, but past couple of days are showing some potential signs of life. Today's action was actually pretty significant in terms of where the price closed. So there's quite a bit to talk about. So let's just jump right in. The big thing on Friday that occurred was we had what in the world of technical analysis and charts we would call a spinning top candle, which signals a potential bottom, potential being the key word. Just because something like that forms doesn't mean that for sure the price is going to skyrocket up. It does need confirmation, and today definitely didn't do anything to hurt that confirmation, as we got a nice green bar here. Now, does that mean that the chart's going to reverse? I wouldn't go that far, but it is definitely a nice step in the right direction in terms of hopefully getting some sort of reversal. A reversal is made up of many more than just two candlesticks. Do we have a bounce right now? Absolutely. But is there a difference between a bounce and a reversal? Absolutely too. If you've been around a while, I'm sure you've heard of the term dead cat bounce. While it is a bounce, yes, by no means is a dead cat bounce or reversal. So that's a big distinction that you need to keep in mind, is that there is a difference between a bounce and a reversal. The chart is currently in a bounce, yes, but I'm not going to go as far and call it a reversal or anything like that. But off to a great start, and all reversals have to start with a bounce, so that's always a plus two. We'll see if this ends up turning into something more significant. So let's talk about some supports and resistances. Key level of support right now, and this is going to be what I'll call the ideal level, is that the price was able to get back above this very stubborn level of resistance, which was also a great level of support, and that is right here at 12 cents. So let me change that to green, and then I'll talk about why that is so important. But when you go and look, you can see acted as support right here, and then for basically a week in a row acted as support multiple times. When the price did drop below it, acted as resistance the past couple days, but now that the price is back above it, 12 cents is back into being a level of support, and that's the ideal level, meaning ideally this is going to be the level that you want to see hold strong. In terms of must hold supports, that's going to be right down here where the price bounced off it both Thursday and Friday. That level is valued at 9.5 cents. The reason that's so important is because if that level doesn't hold, then the price just simply goes down to new lows, and that's not what anybody wants to see. In terms of resistance levels, the key one right now that the price is going to need to work on is both right here and let's try that again. There we go. Sorry about that. And then another one right up here. This first one being at 13.5 cents, the next one being up there at, we'll call it 0.146. These will be the next two key areas of resistance that the price you'll want to see get some closes above. If the price can get some closes above here, now this becomes a very strong bounce right on the border of what I would call a potential reversal. Even if it were to get some closes up here, I still wouldn't call it a reversal, just because you still would be below these two key moving averages here, but it would be getting much closer to being a logical and justified discussion in terms of a potential reversal. So these are going to be the two key current levels of resistance that you're going to want to see the price get above. So if there are any other questions on the chart, please let me know. If not, I'd encourage you to sign up for our newsletter up there. When you do that, you'll receive a free ebook. And if you enjoyed the video and want to learn more about charting and how to use it as a tool as a trader, I'd encourage you to click below, look at our video course, over 8.5 hours of video and teaching. Been getting great third-party reviews, so I'd encourage you to make an investment into your education as a trader and check it out. One more time, this was MJNA. Thanks for listening.